Today we're gonna be making binoculars, and all we are using are toilet paper rolls, a piece of yarn, and tape. And we're doing this activity outside because Zeke is gonna look for birds and clouds. So all we're doing, we let Zeke paint these ahead of time, and all he did was use the simple acrylic paint, and it worked very well. And so all we're gonna use is tape to tape them together on both ends. And then we're gonna tape the string on the other end so that Zeke can put it around his neck. And we made it long enough so it can hang down his neck and he can pick it up, and that's all it is to it. And now he's gonna go look for birds. Go look for birds, see?
For birds.
All right.
Oh yeah. Do you see any birds? And Isabel made some too. We used construction paper on Isabel's, and you can add stickers, glitter, whatever you want for them to decorate. Do you see any birds?
Look for the clouds.
Do you see
Do you like a chicken? Yes, you want to see with us?
And it's just simple, something simple they can do at home. Hopefully you have the things already in hand at home.
Where is the baby?
Just use your imagination. And that's all to your DIY binoculars. Are you sharing? That's it. Thank you for today, friends. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye to your friends.
Say bye.